Hey guys, Ricardo here and welcome to another blog tech tips. Today guys, I have my iPad. This will work for any iPad and I'm going to show you how to get the picture-in-picture for YouTube. It also works with other apps such as Rumble. So if you have that particular app, it should also work. Alright, so the few things to check, go ahead and go to your settings. Once you're in your settings, go to General as I am now. So click on General right here. Then next, you're going to look for the option that says picture-in-picture. If you can't find it, you can also search picture-in-picture in the search option bar up there. It should be here somewhere. But as I said, guys, sometimes you'll not find it. So you can also search picture-in-picture. If you do not find that, guys, type in PIP. All right, and look for our start PIP. All right, so it says multitasking and gestures, start PIP. All right, if you scroll down, you'll see this option here. Make sure it's on. It says start PIP automatically, and it says when you swipe up and go home or use apps, the video FaceTime calls automatically continue in picture-in-picture. So it works for FaceTime, but it also should work for other apps as well. So it controls the picture-in-picture PIP. So that's what it's called on the iPad. Next, make sure as well, and let me close this out. Check for software updates, so you can always go and make sure that your devices has the latest updates. So you can go to General and you can check for software updates. I think it should be here. Go ahead and check for software update. Allow it to check for the latest updates, and of course I'm on the latest updates. And next, make sure your YouTube app is up to date. So you're gonna go to the the Apple App Store. So tap there, search for YouTube, and if you see the option to update all your apps. All right, so that's the first step. Next, you're gonna launch YouTube. I have a video here, and for copyright concerns, I've turned down the music. So hit play and swipe up, and once you swipe up, guys, you should see here the picture-in-picture. All right, so the picture-in-picture is working fine. As you can see it here, it's right here. You can play, you can seek, you can move back 10 seconds or move forward 10 seconds. You can close, or of course you can return to maximum view. Remember, the video must be playing and you must swipe up before it works. As you see, if the video is paused, it will not work. All right, so that's how to activate the picture-in-picture. I do not know. I did not have the feature at one time, and automatically after a while I noticed it was there. And of course, usually you have to make sure those settings are on since it's related to picture within picture or PIP. So make sure that those are on. So I do not know all the conditions to get it, but those are the ones that stood out to me on my device. And of course, I noticed that I didn't have it at first, but after a while I got it. So do you have it? Could you please share your experience below in the comments, and hopefully others have it as well. You know how to get it, or you know how to activate it. And let's check out or share our experience to see exactly how it's enabled, or is it enabled at random. See you in the next one. Bye.